Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing, I believe it's called the MiroPure 24 watt UV LED nail lamp. So I'm going to open it, show you guys how it comes packaged. Comes in this little bag. Get rid of that. Comes with a USB charger. Cord. Now, this cord is not very long, I can tell already. And then it has the adapter. Also, we have an instruction manual. There's one manual for the product, and then there is another manual for the gel polish application. So I've already kind of skimmed over both of these, and I don't think it should be too hard to use. So let's put this aside and let's get it set up. So on the back, you open it up and you set it up like that. Go ahead and plug in. Don't force it. And we're gonna plug it up to the adapter. And so, since this plug is really short, I have an extension cord I'm gonna use with it. That way it doesn't go flying off the table, because this thing is really light. It's like feather light. So I'm gonna put it on an extension cord, and then I'm gonna set it on the side of my desk here in my little drawer. So there we go. Have that plugged up. I saw a light come on. And then it's off. Oh. That's weird. Oh. Is it broke already? Let's check the cord. Okay, so light came on. Let's plug it in a different way. Okay. There we are. Technical difficulties. Alright, so you can tell, and this is not really that stable, so if you move it over a little bit, it'll collapse, so just gotta be careful with that. So I already have a fingernail prepped for some gel polish, so we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'm gonna put it under the lamp for however long the gel polish instructions say to do it. So I'm gonna apply this gel polish, and it is a really nice, like dark purple color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really cute. So I'm gonna use this one to apply it to test out this machine. What I would also advise people to have ready too is a paper towel with some fingernail polish remover and a brush. That way, if you get any gel around your nails while you're polishing them, you can just dip it in and then remove it. That way it won't cure to your skin. Okay? This is my cute little fingernail polish remover holder thingy. Alright, let's do this. I know they say you don't need to do it too thick. This is the first thin coat that I'm going to apply. First ever. And then, you know, you want to do like the free edge. I think that's what they call it. You know, the professionals. They call that the free edge up there to make it, you know, look a little more professional. So that's the first coat. I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. 30 to 60 seconds it said. So let's turn it on. It says 30. Push it one more time. So there we go. Okay. Go ahead and just stop that. So that's the first coat. Well, let's see how that looks so far. I like how shiny it is. It's cute. All right, let's do the second coat. We're gonna go cure it again. I'm gonna put it back on 60. And as you see, it automatically starts counting down for you. You want to keep your finger as straight as possible so the polish doesn't like lean to one side and cure that way. All right. And it went off. Ooh, oh. Get a close up on that one. Oh. And do one more coat. And then we are good to go. All right, so last one. Go ahead and cure it. I do it for a minute just to be sure. Now the true test for this thing will be after I take off the sticky layer, if the polish will stay on there. That's the test. All right, so it's in there, 60 more seconds. There is the final product. Let's see if you guys can see it. Not too shabby for my first time, huh? I think you take the sticky layer off with alcohol spray and wipes, but I have some alcohol pads here and I'm just gonna use that. I hope it's dry. We're gonna have to see. Oh, look at that. It is dry. There we go. So this is supposed to get rid of whatever sticky layer they talk about. I don't know. But that is righteous. So yeah. A little bit of the polish came off, but as you see, it did dry. Bam. I would say it works really well. I mean, it did what it's supposed to do. I followed the directions of the LED lamp, and I followed the directions of my gel polish, and I applied my gel. It's dry. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not coming off. So I'm gonna give this like 5 stars. I don't have any complaints. So thanks for stopping by. Go ahead, leave a like or comment, whatever. All right, that's it for today.